everyone, welcome to the channel. So here we're discussing A+B remastered. So problem states that you have two arrays A and B of each of size n. You can rearrange both of these arrays in any way you want, and you need to construct an array C of size n where Ci equal to Ai plus Bi for all I 1 to n. So we need to think if it is possible to have all elements in array C equal or not. If yes, print suitable rearrangements of A and B, else -1 to mean no solution. So first line has T, the number of test cases. Second, we have sizes A and B, and then arrays A1 to AN and B1 to BN. So we need to output a suitable rearrangement of A and B. Let's say D and E represents the arrangements of A and B. So if this arrangement exists, then we would be printing D1 to Dn in one line and E1 to En in the next line. If this arrangement does not exist, we will print -1. And if multiple solutions are possible, we can print any one solution. So let's see the test cases to understand better. First, we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So when we take 1, 2, 3 and add 1, 2, 3 in it, then it will give us 2, 4, 6. So you know that these elements are not equal. So we will go for another combination possible, which is suppose 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1. Here if you add, we will give 3, 5, 4. So hence you see that here if you do -1 and here if you do +1, the elements would become equal. Hence what you need to do, you can simply write it as 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1. So this will give us 4, 4, 4. I have swapped the first two, these two, so that my +1 and -1 difference is adjusted and I get all of them equal. Now for the second case, I have 9, 8, 5, 6. In this case, the array itself is the answer, as 9 plus 5 is 14 and 8 plus 6 is also 14. Also, one more possible answer is 8, 9, 6, 5, which is mentioned here. For first test case also, another possible answer is 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2. Now for the third test case, you can check for all possible number of cases, but you will get no solution where C has all elements equal, hence you will print -1. So now the basic thing which comes to our mind is, let's take the first minimum value. Suppose from A1 to AN, let's take A1, which is the minimum value of A, and let's take BN, the maximum value of B. Because to make the elements equal, we will take one from the minimum side, one from the maximum side. Vice versa is also true. You can take maximum of A and minimum of B. So it will until AN and this will be B1. So adding these corresponding elements will give us C1, C2 till Cn. So we will get these elements. But here the condition is, this is not the array which is given. A1 to AN is the sorted order and similar for B1 to BN. So if you want to make it more easy, you can simply take A1 to AN sorted and sort the array B in reverse order. So when you sort in reverse order, B1 would give the maximum element, so B1 to BN would become the array. Now add these elements it would make C1 to Cn again. And now we need to check. So we will take, if all elements are equal to C1 in the list of C, then we will output the list which is sorted of A and reverse sorted of B as the output, else we will output -1. Because if all the elements are not equal, which means at least one element is unequal, then C can't be equal, consisting of equal elements. So this is the solution to the problem. I hope you all understand this solution. Thanks for watching.